Hi everyone, welcome to my third devlog about the creation of my first game,
Alien Place.
and I'm super excited to share the progress with you all, so let's dive in. So the first new thing I decided to add was a new monster that could walk in the ceiling and could drop some bullets at the player. To make it, I made some changes in gravity logic and added the ability to throw bullets. Then I've drawn as always the enemy itself, and now I think it's done. The next enemy was a parabola monster that could shoot bullets in parabolic trajectory and was equipped with a shield. In this case I had a lot of struggle simply because of this parabolic trajectory, but then I found on the internet this handy code, so I had to just figure out how it works. While creating the design of this enemy, I wanted it to spot a cannon and the shield on it, so then I came up with this dude. And it looks nice, but this cannon puzzles me.
The smell.
It's a penis. Disgusting.
Anyway, I think this enemy will add a good diversity to my game. I'd like my game to have some currency that the player could get after a level, so then he could upgrade his items. So I created coins and made enemies drop them after killing them. Then I decided to spice things up by adding hidden rooms in the levels, each with a reward and surprise for those who discover them. I started by sketching out this room in tiled. Then to make them discoverable, I decided to make it in Minecraft style and add destructive walls while shooting at them, so the player could figure out that there is something. And by something I mean this piece of meat that drops coins while shooting in it. This thing is a substitute for the familiar to us chest. I also plan to change coins on some organic material for upgrade items, because in my imagination the aliens wouldn't bother with coins and chests. But that's a story for another time. I got tired of the same old bland blue bullets, so then I drew a sprite for it. Afterward, I made the 4 modes of shooting. Firing with dual bullets, with 3 bullets. Bullets that fly in a wave trajectory, and shells that fly in a parabola trajectory, something like a bazooka. The next thing I did, I linked the shooting modes to specific weapons, and then I made the player now have 3 guns at their disposal, which they can be selected at the lobby from player's arsenal. For a convenient switch between weapons, I made the UI column, so the player could choose the weapon throughout the game. Additionally, I integrated a button that reveals the gun selection container, making the process even more convenient. Moving away from weapons, let's head on to the costumes in the game. At first I drew costumes and animated them. By the way, here is my Twitter account where I've been posting new changes to this game almost every day. If you are interested, link in the description. What about the costume changing code? The approach of changing the sprites of different costumes is pretty simple here. The code knows about chosen costumes and switches with sprites of these costumes with the general sprite by comparing their names whether the player is jumping or running. Then I made an upgrade menu for choosing costumes as well. Actually, now I have psychological trauma because of these upgrade menus. During coding, I was feeling anger and sadness with all these updates of UI elements, but anyway, I managed to pass through this lame process. And now the player can upgrade weapons and costumes. Just like guns have their own shooting styles, I want costumes to have special abilities and not just different health points. So, in the beginning I made 3 abilities of each costume. Double jump. It's actually just a double jump. Double jump with the damaging area. The damaging area that activates after the double jump. Double jump, double jump. I took inspiration for this ability from the game Metroid and for the costume as well. Invisible mode. Makes player invisible to enemies and bullets for some period of time. Then the time has come for the player's health bar. So I created a visual representation of a health bar, using heart's icon to indicate the 3 different stages of health. So it is all what I did, and now it looks more like a real game now. Subscribe, hit the like button and drop literally any comment. Share your favorite ice cream, color or pet. Be sure to check out my Twitter and I'll catch you later. Bye.